Hi and hello there Capricorn! So for today's concept, aalamin natin ang inyong past life dito. So bago natin simulan yan, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istanbuyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. Kung di nyo pa alam, mayroon pa tayong other channel, link down below sa description box ng reading na ito. So if interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga lang tayo dito, no, na time period, kaya naman just take only what resonates. Cross-watchers ni Capricorn, welcome ka rin. May Capricorn placements, no, sa kanilang natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So, we do all know, no, na yung past life, no, ay malaki ang connection sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo, situations, circumstances, no, ngayon, no, in this lifetime period. So, we're gonna unlock your past life dito, Caps. So, thank you so much, Archangel Michael, angel guides. Can we get any messages, details, informations about Capricorn's past life? Can you please show me informations, details, anything related sa kanilang past life, please? Capricorn. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this messages right here for you guys. So, meron kayo ditong Two of Cups. We also have here this Ten of Wands, Six of Cups, Three of Coins, Transformation, Seven of Swords energy. Bottom of the deck, we have here this Five of Swords, Nine of Wands, but I was to say, no, na Five of Wands. So, I'm gonna tell it sa inyo later, no? And the happily ever after. Wow! Look at that. So, it looks like, no, sa inyong past life dito, you are just an ordinary person. Okay? You are someone here, no, na very dedicated sa iyong work, mapagmahal ka sa iyong family, no? So, ang klase rito ng life mo is you're working here, no? I'm seeing a body of water. You could be a fisherman way back then or related sa water, or maybe you're living near the water, okay, nung past life mo, no? Or you could be someone here, no, na sa uh, pumapalaot or sa malaking barko ka, nagtatrabaho. So, just take how this resonates. No? But you could be living near water, no? So, it looks like this is you kahit na yung work mo ay mahirap, no? So, others, you could be having occupations, no, of ordinary person way back then, but you are very humble. At hindi ko nakikita rito na marami kang reklamo sa life, no. Actually, kahit nga wala nang matira sa'yo rito, basta may mabigay ka sa family mo, may mapakain ka sa family mo, may malagay ka sa hapag ninyo, carry na, no. So, nakita ko dito nagbago yung life mo because you married a king or a queen. Yan, no. The king or the queen, or if not a king or queen, no, a prince or a princess, no, fell in love with someone like you because you have this kind of very humble spirit, very loving energy yung nakikita niya sa'yo. Kaya maaaring ikaw rin ito na posibleng nagtatrabaho, no, sa isang castle, no, I'm seeing a big facade, no, mataas ang bakod dito. So, you could be a servant, no, sa kaharian, no, or sa isang malaking establishmento. So, I do pick up, no, na kung sino man 'tong mga energies na 'to, your life changed here because you married a queen or a king or a prince or a princess here, Capricorn, no. But you are someone who remains humble, no. You're telling, no, na yung yaman ng asawa mo rito ay kanyang yaman at hindi iyon Iyo, yan 'no. See, you're very humble way back then. So, I do see 'no, that because you are someone 'no, na kahit nagbago yung life mo, people respect you more 'no, tumaas rito yung tingin nila sa'yo, your status right in here nag-upgrade din, but you remain firm 'no. Pinanatili mo na yung paa mo ay nakatapak sa lupa. That's why the universe right in here 'no, is giving you, okay, the life that you deserve. So, nakikita ko that the history will repeat itself, Capricorn, and the universe will give you, look at that, Six of Cups energy. Okay, I do see that the universe will give you all of the efforts, all of the hard work with the Nine of Wands energy and the Five of Wands that I mentioned ay mga challenges na kinaharap mo dati. Okay, ikaw ngayon, no, in this lifetime period, maaaring naha-hustle ka when it comes to your finances. Palaging nasho-short sa pinansyal, no, you're working here, no, 9 to 5 PM, no, or 9 hours a day or even more. Your body here is aching, no, yung iba, kahit ano yung profession nyo ngayon, no, you're doing all of this, no, for the sake of your family, no, to bring food sa inyong table, no, and all of their needs, no, ay ma-provide ninyo. So, the universe right in here is giving you something, no, something like a wish fulfillment. So, you could be struggling now, but it will be over. Look at the birds sa window. Okay? That is the messenger of the universe, no? So, for a lot of you, makakapanaginip kayo. Yung iba nakakapanaginip kayo rito na ang yaman-yaman nyo, or kayo ito na having a very good life, no? Na wala kayo rito iniisip na kahit na anong problema. Yes, Ten of Wands energy, no? I do pick up that yung weight sa inyong shoulder ay mababagsak or mawawala. Ito yung mga klase ng mga dinidil ninyo ng mga problems, no? Mga loans, pagkakautang, no? At iba pa ritong sanga-sangang problema na kinakaharap mo ngayon in this 3D world, yan ay unti-unting maglalaho. The transformation right in here will happen and you will meet as well the love of your life. But here, there could be a little bit, no, na different from your past life, no? Kasi nung past life mo, okay, nakita ko doon, 'di ba, na nakapangasawa ka ng mayaman, 'no, kaya gumanda rin yung life mo, 'no. But here nakita ko gaganda muna yung life mo bago mo ma-meet ang iyong person rito, 'no, in this 3D world, 'no. Like gaganda muna yung life mo, babe, okay. Like aangat ka muna sa life, puwedeng after a promotion sa iyong work or after a lot of hard work, 'no, na nakapag-ipon ka, nakapagpundar, and then naging maganda yung takbo ng negosyo mo, 'no, you will meet your person here, 'no, related sa iyong kaperahan, and you will be power couple, Capricorn, 'no. This person here is definitely, 'no, someone, 'no, this is written, wow, 'no, sa star. So, I do see that this is your person, okay? Same soul, okay? You are the same souls who did fell in love way back then. Yes, the person you will meet now in this 3D world is the king or the queen na naging husband or wife mo in your past life, or the prince or the princess na naging asawa mo in your past lives. So, wow, I do see, no, that with the Three of Pentacles energy, high chance you will meet this um ka-past life connection mo dati, 'no, sa pamamagitan ng iyo rito, 'no, na trabaho, negosyo, or anything related sa'yo ritong way of earning a living, or as long as financial, 'no, ay concern, dun mo siya mami-meet. So, I do see that with the Five of Swords energy, 'no, it is a continuation of your love story, 'no, sa pagpapatuloy ng inyong love story dito. I'm seeing trees, 'no? So, definitely magiging abundant talaga ang inyong life, 'no? Stability will come your way. That's why I told you, you will be power couples right here. And there's this happily ever after. So, nothing, hey, there's nothing that you can lack. Okay, so I do pick up that this person here is someone, no, na muling binabalik, no, ni universe dito sa buhay mo in this 3D world, in this lifetime period. But this is someone you had met and you had a very stable commitment, no, in your past lives. Wow! So definitely, just like in fairy tale, happily ever after is what we're seeing right in here. And I do see that whoever this person is, no, kung di mo pa siya nami-meet, very pretty soon you're gonna meet this person here, no, right mid 2026 no magsa-start no yung sa iba sa inyo, okay? Or before 2027 enters no, you will eventually konektado na with this person here. No? Others you could be seeing a lot of number twos, 222 doesn't have to be na ito ay pares. Pwede rin naman na tig-iisang 2 kahit iba yung katabing number but you're seeing a lot of number twos. And not just number twos, you could be seeing a lot of number 6 as well. Could be 666, no? Yeah, and also 6, no, kahit may iba pang katabing numbers, no, so just take only what resonates. Definitely, this is a wish fulfillment right in here, no, all of the hard works, no, that you've been doing, no, ay mabibigyan rito, no, ng reward ni universe, no. So, I do see, no, that opportunities will come your way, and I do pick up that you are soon, okay, meeting here your person. Look at that. See? It is written in the stars, okay? Your separation with the Roman numeral number 10 is about to end, and Roman numeral number 3, no, you will reunite with this person. There's union, okay? And there's the, I just heard, no, kindred spirit. So definitely your perfect match, okay? Your divine counterparts with whoever is this, no? You will be with your person again in this lifetime period. Wow! So for the initials, yes, I'm seeing, but I'm only seeing three. Okay, so we have here N, we also have M, and last but not the least, I. So yeah, these are all the, yeah. Okay, if you're gonna jumble it, no, no, parang minimum, no, parang konti na lang mga babes, no, yung time, no, you will be meeting already, no, your person in this lifetime period. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you again for this opportunity. It's such a privilege. Again, Miriana on me, Sarang Hea Love and Light. Annyeong.